All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I've had this Zerolemon JuiceBox Pro for 7 months, and I normally wouldn't do a follow-up on something like this because I have so many battery cases. But honestly, folks, this is my favorite one, and this is the one that I use the most. This is by the bedside. It follows me around. It goes in my bag. This is a very important piece to my lineup. Um, a couple of reasons. It's 20,100 milliamps, so basically 20,000. It's got two USB-A ports and a 45-watt PD port. So this is important because this thing can power so many things. You can power your MacBook with this. You can power whatever. You can power a laptop, your phone, everything at the same time before it dies. It really lasts a long time. But one of the best features about this device is the wireless charging. So you just power it on, and then you can take a phone. Now I'm gonna leave my phone in the case. This is my S21. You just pop it down on there, and boom, you can see it starts to charge. I think that's just the one of the best features ever. And obviously the wireless charger is a lot slower than like the 45-watt PD charging, but you can plug in 3 things on here and be rolling, and probably wireless charge. I've never done 4 at once, but I wanted to give you a follow-up on this because it still takes a full charge. A lot of you guys say, some of the things I do, you like, it's still working. What's the follow-up on this? Some things I don't give a follow-up on because I'm just using them, you know what I'm saying? So, but for something like this, I use it like every day, just about, or whenever I need to charge something. I'll say I grab this first because it's portable. I can throw it anywhere. I can do anything with it. So I want to give you a quick, short, brief update on this thing. I reviewed this back at the beginning of July, or I unboxed it. And where I unboxed it and did a kind of a minor review because I've been using it for a week or so at that point, probably. So again, here we are 7 months later. This thing is the truth. Now, the only con about this, obviously, is that it's a big, giant brick. You know what I'm saying? Let me get my fold. And the fold is, kind of a, you can see, I just want to give you some size comparison. So, here it is with the Ultra. You can kind of see. That's how thick this is, man. And it's something that you need to take note of. So the wireless charging is beast mode, though. I found that when I set it on at this angle right here, it starts to charge immediately. And it wouldn't do it that time. There you go. Well, it's done. It says wireless charging down there. But yeah, man, I just feel like this accessory is a must-have, even going into 2021 and beyond. Get you a battery pack that lasts for a long time on standby, like when it's not getting used. This thing will stay at 100 until I power it on. It just doesn't die at all. And I just think that's the best thing. It's a matte feel to it. It's got grip. You can see it's getting a lot of use, man. I left a little thing on there, but it's getting a lot of use. It's kind of scratched up or whatever, but I'm getting the money's worth out of this thing. This is beast mode right here. I'm loving this thing, man. It genuinely is one of the best accessories you can have in your catalog. For real. So it's your man Jay. I will leave a link down below if you decide to finally pick this up. I think you will not regret it, peeps. You will not. I can guarantee you won't. See you in the next one. Take care.